Hey, I'm Melissa, and I am learning how to skateboard. I'm going to try to do that while I'm training my two dogs at the same time.
Sometimes I just can't get out, reach for the copyright law, and it's nice outside today. I just can't get out, reach for the copyright law, but I'd like to find a way.
Been stressed, even insects don't bug me when it's so green out. I wanna smoke the shrubbery. No fucking way I can allow myself to ruin this beautiful day. But Ron could do what I say. Keep your feet in the grass, stray off the beaten path. Smoke weed, blow dope beats and laugh. If I record for free, then math don't enter in my artistry. To hold attention, still the hardest piece. So y'all got a part of me. If I drop some freeze with no fee, keep your wallets please. Art is not property. Take what you want from me. Leave me with your thoughts and feelings. Not a dollar in my pocket if I was getting them G's. I put your money on the beat. It's the citizens asleep.
Sometimes I just can't get out, reach for the copyright law, and it's nice outside today. I just can't get out, reach for the copyright law, but I'd like to find a way. Sometimes I just can't get out, reach for the copyright law, and it's nice outside today. I just can't get out, reach for the copyright law.
No worries. It's over. Go outside.